Under the rapid development of communications technology, people buy a new phone about every 18 months on average, and about 400 million units of e-waste are produced every year. Recycling of phones has become a common challenge faced by every and each individual and related enterprise. Shenzhenfix provides global recycling enterprises with fast and innovative one-stop solutions. From phone repair maintenance, care to recycle. Shenzhenfix was founded in 2007, has gathered experienced professionals from all over the world, and has built a professional mobile phone LCD screen repair maintenance team and a strict QC team. Besides, we have built a dust-free workshop covering an area of 5,800 square meters. With over 10-year experience and skill accumulation of high-level repair maintenance service, we are now gradually on the way to being a global industry leader in maintaining mobile devices and screens. Shenzhenfix offers a preliminary test report and tailor-made maintenance solution after comprehensive IPQC on every item of the customer. After repair maintenance, 3 strict QC procedures: FQC, OQC, and 100% inspection follow-up. And then, the final results, together with a detailed maintenance report, are sent to the customer. With the systematic and improved QC process and service, we ensure high-quality maintenance experience to customers. Shenzhenfix imports and exports domestic and overseas goods. We have developed a number of core technologies that have increased our annual maintenance capacity up to 100,000 units. Over the years, we have been accelerating our global coverage and now have a business network covering Europe, the Middle East, Asia, etc. We are looking forward to holding hands with customers to create a win-win situation with absolutely leading market share and constant innovation. Excellent quality, professional service. Shenzhenfix.